Good morning. So, a little bit of what's happening for today. We had the camera set up. We had everything. I had my lavalier on to do it live so you can hear us and everything. But my computer is too old that it does not support streaming or the computers that we have. So, I guess maybe yesterday we should have tried it. And Mom is running late today, so she's not going to be with us today. So, we couldn't go live, and we were going to do live on YouTube and Facebook at the same time because we knew that worked with good sound and good video quality, but today is not the day. It is going to be Wednesday. It's going to be the day that we will be live with good sound with our lavaliers or our boom mic or something cool all on. Today also, Mom is having her MRI on her knee so they can see more, see if she can go to weight bearing, what kind of surgery she's looking at, the rest of her heal time. She is hoping for really good news because she is very, very tired of being one-legged. She's gotten pretty good with her crutches though. Yeah, she's a pretty nimble old lady. So, a little dangerous, some of her little tricks, but you know, she hasn't fallen yet, so that's a perk. Let's see. What else today? I think that's pretty much it. Mom's MRI is going to be at 11 today, so she might post what's happening, but she might not know until her orthopedic calls her back on Monday. So on Wednesday, we'll have an update on her healing process and what the future is going to look like for her. So let's get to some boxes. So I noticed when I put this one up here, this is actually Mary Perko. Your quilt has arrived. It arrived UPS, so it is safe. You'll hear from me later today about how you want me to quilt this for you. So we'll see that later, so I won't open that. And Eliza is going to assist today. So more camo. So the Nobody Fights Alone collection that has the nurse equipment, the other camo. I think there's pink, blue, and what's the other color? Gray and white. This is the green that goes with it. So if you're looking for more of the correct color of camo, we've got 2 bolts of green. Our Moda box. Oh, this is Squirrely Girl. So we saw the pre-cuts last week. We have the 5-inch charm packs and the 2.5-inch jelly rolls. I've got the acorn soup pattern or acorn acre. This is pretty cool. It'd be fun to do maybe like a block swap with some of your friends since you guys can't get together to sew yet. Maybe you could get together, do a block, swap it with each other, and then you'd have a really cute pattern that you and your 6 friends did together without having to sit next to each other. So that's kind of cool. Fabric is in there. Oh, pretty. That is such a Bunny Hill design, that scroll. And I like those little hidden squirrels in there. That's pretty cute. This is also more Squirrely Girl. So kind of that creamy white. It's not bright white, but it's not that beigey with your squirrels with their little acorn hats. A little motif there. Oh, pumpkins. That would make a really cute edge of like a kitchen towel, a tea towel, for a cute little gift. That'd be really cute. Pumpkins in orange. And Bunny Hill loved polka dot. So it's that creamy background with kind of a taupey dot on it. Orange with the cream dot. Sorry. Orange with some acorns. What's our last one in there, Rosebud?
We're almost white acorns.
Okay, more of that tan color with white acorns with orange tops. That's pretty cute. It's kind of a fun fall twist having this cute little squirrel on there. Whoops. The pumpkins go. I love those. Okay, let's see. So that's all from Moda. And these. Oh, these are those Andover Century solids. So these are all solids. Andover solids feel so good. Let me open one of these. show you. But they're a really pretty, a nice lightweight, really soft, more of a satiny finish on their gray good. So if you guys have felt the Michael Miller solids, those are super silky and soft. This is a very close to that Michael Miller solid. They just have different color options, which are really pretty. But oh, it's such a nice feeling. It's very lightweight, which is really nice. And they come in some really cool colors. So we've got like a coral, kind of a gold, a cream, another shade of gold, some aqua, pink and purple. There we go. All right, what's in the other box? Was it? I think that's more Century Solids, but let's see what colors we have in here.
Ooh, blues.
Blues.
A bunch of blues. Ooh.
So kind of
They
a
want
dust.
you to take the plastic off so they can see better.
They can see them better? Okay, I can do that. So here is a kind of a more dusty blue. This one is called Faded. This one is more of a bright blue. This one's called Pool. This one is Smooth.
Like we don't have enough of that.
Yeah. We haven't got rain yet. They're still saying there's still a chance. I think everyone's hoping for it. This is Pear. Kind of a limey green. This one is Pressed Flower.
That one's sweet. I like
This one's
it.
really nice. A really nice, elegant purple.
Going too fast.
Too fast. Sorry, guys.
And that's your jam.
Oh, yes, this is my color. It matches my shirt. Passion. There, I'm a passionate person. That's all there is to it. All right, what else is in there? This one is Emerald. Oh, I could have guessed that probably. Oh. Emerald green.
Ooh, that is a
This one is Caribbean. Or Caribbean, however you want to say it. There's that. That one's a really pretty blue.
And then you got
Ooh, this must be a
blackish-
chocolate. Yes. This is the color of Hershey's. Don't you know?
Okay, now it looks like a
All right, and let me open up some of the ones that we've already passed through here. This one is so pretty. This was an aquamarine. Super pretty. This is a very popular color in the store right now. Anything this color goes super fast. This is their almond. So kind of a creamy, tan, beigey. Pretty. Let's see, this one is sapphire blue. Very pretty. And again, all solid, so no texture from salvage to salvage. It's all one true
We're probably
color.
gonna have to take all those and put them back into
Okay,
the box.
we can
So
move
can
those.
get those.
This is brass. Kind of a yellowy with a little bit of a green tint to it, it looks like to me.
Or gold.
But it bought me one of those colors that when you're shopping, it might look more gold, more green. You know, those funny colors that sometimes have a mind of their own. I think that's... Did we open all of them?
Oh. Ooh, I don't think so. At least we...
Oh, we didn't open the pink one. Let's see. This is Pink Lemonade. A very kind of a bright baby pink almost. It's a couple shades wilder than a good old baby pink. This is Lilac. Some good plastic, huh? And this one is Goldenrod. All right. Did you guys want to see any of these Squirrely Girls opened up? There's like these.
Yeah.
Yeah. Might as well, while we're here. This plastic's a little bit easier to open. Okay. So again, this is the Squirrely Girl. We'll look at it a little closer. The cream with the tan kind of taupe dot. And those are itty bitty. I don't think I have a coin in my pocket. What do I have? No, I got a credit card. And I got a flash drive. So they're itty bitty. They're little pin dots. So they're itty bitty. Here is the orange pumpkins. So a bright orange background with their softer orange pumpkin. And the words say pumpkins, pumpkin patch, pumpkin pie, pumpkin parade. All good pumpkin things. Super cute. It is directional, but again, an edge of a tea towel, part of an apron. It's going to be super cute. And this one's that bright orange with a white scroll through it with some hidden squirrels. And looks like, I mean, that's probably a leaf, but I'm going to say it's an acorn. But that's cute. All right, here is the white pumpkin with the orange pumpkins and the kind of the tanny brown words. Super cute. I love this one. And this one's a little bolt. This one only has 10 yards in it. The other ones I think are closer to 15 yards. So this one, not very much. And I think it's the cutest. The orange and white dot. Again, that teeny tiny little pin dot. Super pretty. And this is Bunny Hill. So a lot of you guys might know Moda Fabrics are really good at working with their designers. That if this is the orange or the tan or the cream color that Bunny Hill has used in the future, they try to keep them together so that when you're shopping this new collection, it might go with a collection that was 2 years ago. So everything Moda, any Moda designer, Moda's really good about keeping those colors together. So just so you know, if you think, oh, I have some Bunny Hill and it's orange, but I wonder if those match, my 95%, totally. I think it would absolutely match. So Moda is one of the best fabric companies that does that, which is super great. And this is the white with the cute little, like Paris squirrels. And this one's directional the other way because this is salvage here, fold here, so it goes lengthwise the other way. But he's still pretty cute. Look, there's a little bird. I want to see the little bird. Yeah.
Do you think the orange from the Squirrely Girl will match with the All Hallows Eve collection?
Ooh, I bet it would. Do you know which one All Hallows Eve is? No? I'll run and grab one.
Halloween aisle?
I think so. Like from right away, it looks like it would match, but let me run and go grab a piece for you guys and we'll see. This is that tan with the white acorns and the orange tops.
You want me to keep on unwrapping?
Yep, unwrap that one, Eliza, and you show them that one, okay? All right, let me go grab I'm going to reach separate for you guys. Let me go grab an All Hallows Eve piece.
I don't know why they make these so hard to unwrap. Acorns. Should we unwrap these?
All right, you show them the orange ones. Okay, here's All Hallows Eve. So it is quite different. The orange is a lot brighter. All Hallows Eve is pretty pale. I mean, if you had more of the whites, I think you could totally do the whites and probably the grays with it. But if you had a lot of the orange, I am not sure I'm okay with that. But let's see. So if you had white and grays, I would totally go for that. I think that's super cute. But let's look like that. I don't think that looks bad. That doesn't even look too bad. Just that little bit of orange. Because I feel like this leaf in here is the same color as this orange background. So I think if you used more of not the mostly orange pieces of Squirrely Girl, it would go with All Hallows Eve. Or if you had a lot of All Hallows Eve, the whites and the grays look really good with oranges. So yes and no. It'll definitely be a mixture, but they're pretty cool. All right. Any other questions for our day? Okay, so I'm going to diligently put these on, put some links on there for you guys, get this loaded up, and then, we'll take Mom to Moses Lake and MRI, and then we'll fill you in on what's to come for her. Hopefully it's good news. We're ready for her to get 2 legs. I think she's tired of being doted on. But we all have kids, so it's not like, what's one more? And at least she can, waddle to the bathroom herself and all that jazz. So, all right. So if you guys have any questions, Facebook message me, shoot me an email. Give us a call today. Again, we're open from 11 to 4 today. Call if you want to come in. Call if you have questions about today, if you can't find something. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks, guys.